We are the HeavyTrackerz. We're music producers, DJs, radio hosts.
Yeah.
The bulk of the things that we do is pretty much based around music production. Wrote for the likes of Stormzy, Wiley, Iggy album, Iggy Azalea, you name it, Meridian Dan.
Started off using this fire.
Like one of the main aspects with it is just the ability to kind of be able to speed up, drop ideas as quick as possible. I play keys, and it's being able to switch the drums to the note section and things. Growing up and knowing what Akai has always done and the heritage of Akai, what FL is doing at the minute with his popularity amongst our generation and the younger generation, it just makes sense. It's the perfect marriage, to be honest.
DJ wise,
Being able to make a tune and then playing it in front of 10,000 people, 14,000 people, and you're playing your own track.